Hi everybody, Adam Levine here with Sky Insurance Brokers. It's that time of year again. It is wildfire season. Currently right now we are experiencing the normal amount of fires that we get seasonally in California, with some especially nasty ones such as the Mosquito Fire. Our phones have been ringing off the hook with questions about claims and what they should do, mostly from our Mosquito Fire clientele. So I thought I would readdress this as we did last year, just to kind of remind you of some things if you happen to be one of those persons that is displaced. Some of the things you can do to help make the claim process and or your removal from your home a little bit easier. I have a list here that I'm working off of that you'll be able to obtain yourself if you'd like off of our website and our resources tab. It should be there maybe towards the next couple days or the end of the week. But I wanted to point out, there's quite a few items on this list, but I wanted to point out what I think are the most important ones. Specifically, while you're displaced, you need to get a post office box or maybe use a friend's mailbox, friend's address, and you need to update that with your different carriers that you happen to be submitting a claim with. First thing, obviously, is if you haven't already done so, is give your agent a call or the carrier a call and get the claim started. If you haven't already started that claim, you'll want to get on it right away. That way you're more at the front of the line than the end of the line. You're also going to want to start working on a personal property list. Now, this is a little bit of heartbreak because you start realizing some of the stuff that you've lost if your home was a total loss, for instance. Write down anything that you think of the moment you think of it. Basically walk around with a pad of paper, keep it in your purse, ladies, or in your backpack, gentlemen, or in your car. And if you happen to think of something that pops in your mind, like a spare TV in the office that you forgot, write it down. You're also going to want to save your receipts, all the receipts, because even though you have loss of use coverage with your carrier or with the FAIR plan, they call it fair rental value, loss of use will cover incidentals like hairbrushes and toothpaste and things that you need quickly, phone chargers, that kind of thing. As you buy things, let the stores know your situation, that you're displaced because of the fire. They'll offer discounts, some of them, or they will help you as best they can. Also, if it looks like you're going to be displaced for a longer period of time, not just a mandatory evacuation because of proximity, but if it looks like you've actually suffered a loss, you might want to be prepared to start searching for long-term rentals. Don't just settle. Find something that you can live with. You could end up living there for up to 2 years. The biggest thing also on top of that is while you're displaced, you might want to, if it's a temporary displacement because of a mandatory evacuation, you can contact your utility companies and newspaper service and have everything put on pause. I would suggest that. If it's going to be a long-term displacement, you're going to want to have that at least frozen or canceled for now. No sense in paying a cable bill if you're not there to enjoy cable. So use a little bit of common sense, but also we're always here to advise you. We're always here to help you. Please give us a call. That's what we're for. This is the time when you need us, and we're always going to be there for you. Take care, and above all, be safe. Do not go back into the residence until it's been, the all clear has been sounded by CAL FIRE. You don't want to get yourself hurt or leave yourself in jeopardy, so just play it safe and give us a call and we'll be happy to advise you along the way. Take care.